Hello and welcome back to Digital Assets Daily. Tonight we're going to get in on more of the partnerships and expansion of Ripple and XRP globally. Today some big events are the senior UK judges say crypto assets including Bitcoin are property. Crypto assets can be treated as tradable property and smart contracts are enforceable agreements under English law. And I'm sure that's going to speed up the process and give a precedent for U.S. lawmakers to follow. Santander ready for blockchain expansion with Ripple solution. Santander Bank has announced its new payment service based on blockchain technology. The Santander OnePay FX is the first mobile app powered by Ripple for cross-border payments. Unveiled in April, Santander OnePay uses the X-Current solution developed by Ripple. Although now the current title is ODL for on-demand liquidity. Santander is one of the most important banks in Europe and Latin America since a very long time. The company is working with Ripple trying to implement different solutions. With this application, Santander becomes the first bank using a blockchain cross-border payments service. The OnePay FX application is already available for clients in 4 different countries: Spain, the United Kingdom, Brazil, and Poland will be able to enjoy the new service provided by Santander Bank. Ripple-powered MoneyTap to be integrated by the Fukushima Bank. Monday has been kind to XRP holders. First, we get the news over the weekend. The XRP MXN liquidity index has soared to another all-time high, and now we get the news that SBI-backed Fukushima Bank has joined MoneyTap. Fukushima Bank is a regional bank mainly engaged in the banking business. The bank operates through 2 business segments. The banking segment is engaged in the banking business, including deposit, loan, and exchange business, as well as related business. It also engages in software development and operation work and investment business through its subsidiaries. The leasing segment is engaged in the leasing of information communication equipment, office equipment, and others. The other business provides credit card services and credit guarantee services. Japanese financial company SBI Holdings Inc. has formed a capital tie-up with Fukushima Bank Limited. As part of the partnership, the regional lender will integrate Ripple-powered payment application MoneyTap. SBI and Fukushima Bank will form capital and strategic tie-up, with SBI taking a 17.91% stake in the regional lender. Fukushima Bank will issue new shares to SBI for 222 yen each, for a total investment of 1.11 billion yen, or 10.17 million USD, making the biggest shareholder in the lender. SBI MoneyTap expanded features set to go live 2020, and I think the key phrase there is expanded features. Just as you thought the great news was over for today, we get some more amazing news out of SBI. MoneyTap is set to go live in 2020. From looking over the quarterly report, we are expecting a Q1 2020 launch. The Japanese banking community will launch a groundbreaking smartphone app called MoneyTap, driven by Ripple's blockchain technology to enable 24/7 real-time payment settlement for customers in the community. MoneyTap is the first mobile app developed and used by many different banks in Japan. And we're going to go back into this A year ago, Ripple expands ASEAN reach. MUFG uses Ripple for Brazilian payments. Thailand headquartered CIMB announced plans to use RippleNet for cross-border payments. The bank is the fifth largest in the ASEAN and has a presence in 15 countries. According to Ripple, the ASEAN region represents 39% of the global remittance market. The World Bank estimates that Southeast Asia remittances will reach $120 billion this year. RippleNet in many ways is a modern, blockchain-enabled version of SWIFT with far greater transparency and two-way messaging. That makes remittances quicker, particularly if there are issues which often delay a significant minority of cross-border payments, while intermediate banks email queries back and forth. Using RippleNet does not require the use of a digital asset. Only Ripple's XRP product requires that. CIMB already has a proprietary remittance product called SpeedSend, where the back end is being integrated with RippleNet for specific payment routes. It's using the service for remittances to and from Australia, USA, UK, and Hong Kong. We are designed to be part of RippleNet and look forward to a fruitful partnership with Ripple by leveraging each other's strengths and capabilities. This innovative blockchain solution will revolutionize international cross-border remittances and is a testament to CIMB's ongoing efforts to enhance its digital banking proposition by providing speedy and cost-efficient solutions to our customers across ASEAN, said Tengku Dato Sri Zafrul Aziz, CEO, CIMB Group. Japan's MUFG and Brazilian payments deal. Last year, Japan's largest bank, MUFG, announced it would join RippleNet. Earlier this week, it confirmed it has inked a memorandum of understanding with Brazilian bank Banco Bradesco for cross-border payments using Ripple. MUFG is also a member of SBI Ripple Asia, which is a Japanese domestic payments network. The consortium of 60 banks aims to enable Japanese bank transfers outside of conventional banking hours. A month ago, the group launched its MoneyTap mobile phone app with 3 banks initially. So even though they're saying MoneyTap will be available 2020, we know it's been going since 2018. A lot of things will become more public as they can speak, but some things as they're released are still available for us to know. SBI Ripple Asia launches first money transfer service between Japan and Vietnam. TP Bank SBI is at it again. So much great news coming out of Japan and SBI. Just a couple of days ago, we got news on Kyoto University. Becomes first Japanese university to run an XRPL validator. And today we got the news that SBI Ripple has launched the first money transfer service between Japan and Vietnam. From the official press release, the first Japan-Vietnam money transfer service in real currency utilizing DLT with a Vietnamese bank, Tien Phong Commercial Joint Stock Bank, Head Office Hanoi, CEO Nguyen Hung, hereinafter Tien Phong Bank. SBI Remit and MoneyGram have been providing a convenient international money transfer service using DLT technology. The adoption of RippleNet helps enable real-time and low-cost transfers between SBI Remit and Tien Phong Bank. We originally got the news a couple of days ago that the Vietnam-based TP Bank partnered with Ripple XRP for blockchain remittances. TP Bank became one of Vietnam's top 10 banks in 2017 with assets of over 5.3 billion USD. It focuses on digital transformation and e-banking and has a money transfer app that allows customers to send funds with a QR code. The partnership with Ripple is yet another step in the right direction for the bank's digitization goals. Nguyen Hung, the CEO of TP Bank, stated, "Customers will not have to wait for a few hours to make money transfers from Japan to a TP Bank account, because from now on, using RippleNet, applying blockchain technology to international money transfer, customers only need a few minutes to complete these transactions." Tien Phong Bank is a Vietnamese commercial bank established in May 2008. The SBI Group has invested in the company in August 2009, owning a 19.9% share. The bank uses advanced technology to increase loan balances, particularly in the retail sector. Its market capitalization of about 89.4 billion yen as of 2019, the end of September 2019. And we're going to finish this off with RippleNet's new member, SBI, confirms Japan-Vietnam remittance service with major TP Bank. Some of these almost seem repetitive, except for there is a little bit of additional information in each, and that is the exact same reason why I am adding that information and sharing that with you. Because the more you are aware of how many partnerships and how many connections and banks they're using, that adds to the liquidity. And eventually, when the price equals value and liquidity is a basis upon which the value is based for pricing, then you'll understand Ripple and XRP are much more expansive than you ever imagined. So earlier, you today reported about a partnership between the Japanese financial giant SBI and one of the largest banks in Vietnam, TP Bank, regarding financial wire transfers on the blockchain. Back then, the TP Bank CEO, Nguyen Hung, merely stated that the bank would be cooperating with SBI in the sphere of financial transactions. Now, the fact of the new remittance service between Japan and Vietnam powered by RippleNet is confirmed. Yoshitaka Katao, representative of the SBI Group, said, "The booming Vietnamese economy is one of the most attractive markets around the world. TP Bank, which the SBI Group has invested in 2009 and owns a 19.9% share of, has achieved steady accumulation of loans and non-interest income such as settlement services. By actively utilizing cutting-edge technologies, the adoption of RippleNet will further differentiate the company from its competitors. We will also develop remittance services that incorporates crypto assets in the future." Vietnam is not the first Asian country where RippleNet is going to be used. On Thursday, You Today wrote about another Ripple-powered payments company, Neum, formerly known as Instagram, which we discussed in a previous video, partnered with Visa Direct to conduct instant payments to Indonesia. Prior to that, the platform received a license from the Bank of Indonesia. On the same day, it was reported that the major Japanese SoftBank, Ripple's partner, is planning to merge with the popular Japanese Line messaging app. SoftBank owns Ripple-powered Japanese MoneyTap payments app, which has recently partnered with a similar platform, PayPay. Thus, they could both benefit from this potential deal. And PayPay we also mentioned in a previous video. I think this is very exciting, and I say don't let all of these volatile price get you upset and emotional. If you're in this for a long-term investment, I think just if it's becoming too much, just step away. have it locked up in cold storage offline, so that you have your keys and you are safe and protected as you can possibly be in this new space. And know that your investment will definitely increase, because once the value and price evaluation are equal, I believe you'll be able to see a great deal of return, or ROI on your investment, return on your investment. So again, this is not financial advice. It is for entertainment purposes only. And I hope you're having a great night, and we'll catch you in the next one.